mainly on the hills. Jen.
Derek, diolch yn fawr. And that is Wales Today. I hope you can join us for our late bulletin at 10:30. But until then, from all of us on the programme, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
This is BBC One Wales. Now, a party political broadcast by Plaid Cymru.
I'm a council houseboy from the council estate there, and I'm proud to call this home. I will work like a Trojan for every single man, woman and child in this constituency, and a huge honour it is for me.
What happened in Caerphilly was a message from people tired of being taken for granted, who refused to be divided and who chose something better. A party that stands with them, with their community and with Wales. And everywhere I go, I hear the same message loud and clear.
We're so sick and tired of seeing the same old people, the same old politics constantly in Wales. That does nothing for us.
I'm fed up with Labour. I really don't want reform. If I'm honest, I'm terrified if they get in, and I'm sure a lot of other people are as well.
I believe having a Plaid Cymru government will bring more sense of hope and community to Wales as we truly need it.
This isn't as good as it gets for Wales. We can build a better future. People deserve that. You deserve that. And that's what Plaid Cymru stands for. Fairness. Making a difference to people's lives. Transformational childcare offer to support families. Prosperity. Backing business and local jobs. Getting your NHS back on track and standing up to those who seek to divide us. Caerphilly showed us what's possible when people choose hope over division. Just imagine what we could do if we choose that together right across Wales.
This year,
In the election,
I'll be voting Plaid Cymru.
The choice at the next election is clear. We can't stay as we are as a country, and others would take us backwards. Or we can look forward to a new future with Plaid Cymru. Positive change is possible. A government that stands up for Wales is possible. So, as more people than ever before are doing, put your trust in new leadership. And on May the 7th this year, vote Plaid Cymru.
That was a party political broadcast by Plaid Cymru. Party political broadcasts can be viewed on BBC iPlayer.